First, watch this. How you can create that kind of movie trailer using AI. Here's how. Go to Google and type Higgsfield AI. Click on the first link. You'll see the dashboard with lots of Discover products. Users have recreated amazing movie trailers here. Higgsfield in the one of best AI for generation amazing video now with new features. So now at the top of the page, click on Cinema Studio. You'll see this page where you can use camera angles, lens options, and video generation tools. Here you can select different cameras and lenses for your shots. You can also control camera movements, how your video will move, zoom 10 times or 5 times, and adjust focus on specific locations. First, you need to sign up. Sign up with your email or Google account. After signing in, select your account. You'll get back to the dashboard. Now click Cinema Studio again. Here's how to start. I'll generate a simple prompt for an image. Paste your prompt here. Select the quality, choose 4K. Now select your camera and lens. Choose the same camera and same lens for consistency and better results. I'm selecting this lens, 50mm, for all my shots. Now click Generate. After a few seconds, you'll see this amazing image created by Higgsfield AI. Zoom in and check the quality. You can see the forecast quality is excellent. You can also create multi-shots from one image. Look. They create amazing multiple shots with different angles. We also created that. Select the one you like and download it. Now let me show you something incredible. First, click on the Image section at the top. Select Pro Mode. Here you'll see options. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Select resolution, 2K for web video quality. Here's the prompt for my movie. All the prompts are available in the description. You can copy and paste them. First, copy prompt 1. This is the scene analysis prompt. Paste it in this area. Select the quality. Now click Generate. I'm using an avatar movie scene for this tutorial. Look at this. We get an amazing high-quality image with 9 different shots, a complete contact sheet. Next, copy prompt 2. Paste it in the area. This prompt will extract the image from one specific column and row. For example, row 1, column 1, then row 1, column 2. Then row 2, column 1, and so on. You'll select all these, sequence-wise, one by one. Use the same strategy for each image. Apply this for all 9 frames. Now we get all images in the best quality. Download each file to your generation folder. Next, go back to the main page. Click Create again. Go to Cinema Studio. Now select Image to Video. Upload your first generated image. Type your movement description here. Don't change anything else. Select your quality, 4K. In cameras, select the same camera and lens you used before. Choose your focal length. Now what we'll do is generate the video with movement. For each image, use the same strategy. I have a movement prompt for each frame. For example, slow zoom in, dramatic reveal. I paste it here. Select the movement type. I'm choosing dolly for a dramatic push-in shot. Now select the duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Turn the volume on. Enable slow motion for dramatic effect. Then click Generate. You can create videos for all 9 images one by one. Just repeat this process. Upload each frame. Add the movement prompt. Select settings. Generate the video. After each video generates, download it. Download all your videos to one folder. Now, open any video editing software. You can use Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or Filmora. Here's your final video output. an amazing avatar-style movie trailer created entirely with AI. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. All the prompts are available in the description below. Drop a comment and let me know what trailer you'll create next. Thank you for watching. Now go create something amazing.